Holy moly. Folks, there's a pre-owned fifth wheel. Get any nicer than this? Introducing our 2024 Keystone Montana Legacy. The model number is 3901RK. So rear kitchen. So it's a raised rear kitchen with lots of storage out back, full body paint, frameless windows, power awning with LED lights. As you can see, it has hydraulic automatic leveling system. It's actually lifted right off the ground. Not recommended. Look at the storage out back. It's got a sliding tray just like a Newmar motorhome. Over here, two more slide outs. There we go. There's a better look. Huge slide out here. That is for the king bed. But look at this room. Walk-in closet, a front bathroom to die for. This is a bath and a half too, folks. Take a look at your wet bay. We got aluminum construction out front. Side view cameras. We got a rear view camera as well. The Road Armor fifth wheel pin. A beautiful fiberglass front cap with LED lights. Those bugs are gonna be no charge. I'm kidding, we'll get that cleaned up. Look at that. All right, so we do have the solid steps that are spring loaded, so they're really nice and easy to bring in and out. It does have the 400-watt solar system, underbelly insulation for all season camping, so extended camping. This is not meant to, none of them are meant to stay in the wintertime, unless you're in Florida. Oh, look at this, guys. All right, so this table does extend. We got two more chairs underneath the king-size bed. These theater seats are power operated. That sofa does extend and make a bed as well. Fireplace that throws out heat. JBL sound system, speakers, huge TV, lots of storage. Let's take a look at this kitchen. Whammo, take a look, folks. So we got solid surface countertops throughout. An oven that's bigger than the one at the house. 3-burner stove, Furrion microwave. Love the windows all over. Dual stainless steel sinks. Storage. Love it. All right, let's go take a look at the half bath right here. Very roomy, by the way. And of course, that is a porcelain toilet. Super tall ceilings with an extremely well-placed fan. All right, let's keep going. Central vacuum system is here. You got some storage as well as your control panel right here. Digital. Walking into the master bedroom. And of course, where's the king-size mattress? Well, guess what, folks? The previous owners kept it, so that means you get a free upgrade, and it's going to be brand new. Directly in front of where the bed would be. Storage galore, another TV. Oh yeah, underneath the bed, let's take a look at there. 2 extra chairs, and your hoses here for the vacuum system. Out front. Out front. Check this out. Dual vanities. Porcelain toilet. Look at all the room. Definitely a prime pooping position right there. Okay. 1-piece fiberglass shower. We got a tiki seat, just like a motorhome again. Wow, that shower head. Another fan that's very well placed, but take a look here, folks. Wowzers. So this is not close to being a walk-in closet. This is a walk-in closet, right? You can put a washer dryer right here. There are your hookups, power supplies. You know what that means. You can live in this thing. But look at this. Oh yeah. Here. This is a walk-in closet, folks. Like, no problem. I can walk all over. I'm a freak of nature. All right, folks. If you like what you're seeing, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment with them. We'll get this coach opened up for you. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick. Bye for now.